recently a group of third year students have went to IIT Chennai for winning participating in a web competition, and they have come to the very close to the thing, and results will be announced shortly. And I told them, hey, my company, I want to have a site. They said, yes sir, give it to me, we will develop it. Whenever I gave them a proposal, the students are ready to do it. Whatever proposal, I said, hey, I need to do, I have done some electronic product, I want to have a mechanical unit based for that. Sir, you give it, we will simulate it, we will make it everything, we will give a prototype to you. So I never heard any no from the students. Because I stay, see, why I have a thing is that I stayed in the same room where I stayed during my studies. Oh. Same English hostel. Whenever I go to college, 4 days or 5 days, I don't stay outside hotels. I directly go to the hostel room, and Mr. Sasikumar will help me to arrange the room. I stay in the same room. I take the food in the canteens, and you'll be very surprised. Night, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, people come and ask doubts. Sir, what is this embedded? What is? Can you show me the demo? They never sleep. It is totally different environment than what we hear. The only thing missing is after a stage they don't have anything. Somebody have to guide them, and that way I think Thiran has started a very right movement, and it's going to change the thing. Otherwise, all the students are best. I told them, hey, why is it not Thiran is going to affect your studies? They said no, it will not affect. We are all good students. We have got good marks. We know how to score marks. You don't worry. Thiran will give it. And the placement training. Last year they are given. They are very happy. So ultimately, this some interaction between this, and now it's going in a much exponential way. To be frank on myself, I don't know whether Tirumai Nambi could have expected this growth. And it's the way in which it's going is remarkably well, and that way I'm quite happy about this. And then this is why Thiran activities. This is what I think. This is when the competition is happening on other colleges, how ACCs have to behave outside. Let us have a small competition within our college. We make themselves to prepare. That's the first motto here. Then this is what I think. How to implement the practical knowledge. See, there's always a concept between theory and practical gap. We wanted to remove that. We said you learn this much and you practice. That is what the concept of planning to have this, even Taifaco building, what Sir mentioned, that we are planning to use that building for temporarily, since till the Taifaco approval comes, we are planning to use the building for doing some lab experiments for students and everything. So that is what this, and this is what the innovation. And it is found out, it's kind. I don't mistake me, I have last 4.5 years I am traveling to Tamil Nadu and visited about more than 100 colleges and given talks. So I don't have even 0.001% of doubt that students does not have creativity. They have much more creativity than us. The only problem is the thing is that unfortunately the phase at which they are learning is too much. So you don't have anything to satisfy them. You give a project, you show them something, they are ready to do that. You say you don't have anything, then I use Facebook and I use SMS. So they don't know what to do next. And that's so many issues that we will discuss slowly and do the thing. So that is the reason so this is no doubt. Even our college students, creativity is no problem at all. Then come, this is what very important. Our skills, our alumni skills have to go to students, which if you could able to achieve it, anyway, we are creating, if we have time permits also later, and we have started a small thing called video lectures. It takes about only in a week, half an hour of your time. You just create a PPT lecture. You can put about 20 slides of your profession, your knowledge, and have a mic and speak, and it gets recorded and creates a video and send it to the college. Enough. That knowledge goes to school. You spend just 30 minutes of your time in a week. That is going to enrich about 100 students. That's nothing. You don't tell me that I don't have money, I don't have time, I'm far away from India. There's nothing. I don't know anything. You need only 30 minutes in a week. You create just 10 minutes of your video lecture. What you have learned so many years, you can create it. Okay, that's easy, and if time permits also at the end of it, I have created one small and distributing to team to find out whether it's okay or not. So then finally this one, industrial trend to latest advances. And that's, I'm also getting mails, but it's very difficult. Unless you are very fundamental, it is very difficult to tell the students about latest trends. So this is, I think I'm putting a temporary hold on it, and this is the one. This is Thiran is giving you the final one is this. A nice teamwork. This I saw it this time. The students, they could go to every place, Madurai or everywhere. This is another biggest problem, buying components in Karaikudi. You don't get anything. They have to travel Trichy, Madurai, all the places and getting enough of components, and they between themselves help and make it finally. They could show the projects very nicely. So this is the thing we did in 2011, the planning. That is, we started on 15/11 is the inauguration day. And then we had a deadline for the email, the new projects. And 5th of August is a deadline for registered projects. And 6th of August is the member orientations. And mentoring days, 2 mentoring days. And exactly on 15th of October, we had a judgment day. Within about this 3 months, we could achieve the people to do the projects. And on 7th of January, we welcome as many as participants to come to college and visit this event of Judgment Day and Prize Distribution Day on 7th of January 2012. So, and then this is a remark by one of the 2010 participant called Kesava Prasad. So, now he is employed in Breaks India, and this is the first time we triggered the event, and then the competition went very well, and there were 33 projects were signed up, and the 3 were successfully implemented. This is the first time because everybody was, see, this is here, see the gap. 33 implemented and 3 were successfully completed. Everybody wanted to do that, but no help. Then only people scratched what to do. Then found a solution. This is what, see, next year, there were 65 projects. And how many projects are successfully implemented? 44. And we thought to give only 1 prize, and we gave about 6 prizes, 6 first prizes. We could differentiate. We had a lot of fight to whom we had to give a first prize. Finally, we had to give 6 people